Today I'm making a quick lunch for myself. It's a working lunch. I just want to show you what I'm making today because it's truly one of my favorites and my son is in the kitchen with me. Here we go.
Okay, it's that time again for another easy lunch. So I have a cucumber that needs to be used. That's going to be part of this lunch bowl. I'm going to just make this pre-seasoned salmon in the air fryer, super easy. And I'm not even going to make rice. I'm going to use this microwavable rice. Again, super easy. And I'm also going to make like this spicy chipotle mayo to kind of add into the rice bowl. It's going to be good. It's easy. Here we go. So here I have the salmon already in my little air fryer basket. I've added a little bit of granulated onion powder, and I like smoked paprika as a seasoning, so I'm going to add that on top. And now I'm going to cook this. It's not going to take long to cook. This is completely thawed. So in the air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll start with 5 minutes and check it then. For the rice, I've already opened it up just a little bit, and this goes for 1 minute and 30 seconds in the microwave. Don't judge me. This comes in clutch when I just want something quick. So 1 minute and 30 seconds in my microwave. Yeah, and it's super smudgy because my son is always in this area utilizing the microwave for his stuff sometimes. So for this like little spicy mayo, I like to add, there we go, I don't really need a lot, like a couple of tablespoons. I like the flavor of tahini, so you guys might find that weird, I don't know, but I'm going with a little shaky shake of tahini. And I love the Cholula chipotle hot sauce going in. There we go. And just give it a mix. Sometimes I add lime into the mix, but this is what I'm working with today. The tahini will give it that lime flavor. And I hear my microwave, the rice is done. So there we go. It's a spicy mayo to go with my salmon bowl. Okay, so I'm going to slice up the cucumber. I love cucumber, so I'm probably going to just finish this entire thing. But what I'm going to do is remove it from this plastic that it comes in. Air fryer stopped. So I'm going to just take the seeds out and just slice it up. There we go. Okay, so my salmon is ready. I'm ready to put this bowl together. Okay, so I have my rice ready. It's going in the bowl. There we go. I'm just I'm good with that. Now I'm going in with my salmon. I'm gonna typically I like to drizzle on the mayo a little bit, but there it is. Cucumber. I also have half of an avocado that's gonna go in. I didn't cut it in any special way, but you can. And then some sesame seeds. I'll leave those there. And this is like a simple lunch that I truly love to eat with a little bit of seaweed paper. And I kind of mix it all up. It's really good. Salmon bowl, yay. So here's what I like to use. And I'm going to cut this open. And then I just take my sheets out. I'll take 2 or 3. And then just cut them into like little squares. I'll do it like by thirds. And then I'll go by thirds again. And I have my little seaweed sheets for lunch. So yay, love this. And I like to place them in a container. I'm probably gonna cut the rest of them up, and we like to leave it in this container for when we wanna eat it with rice. So what I'm gonna do next is just mix everything up. Give it a good mix, taste it. Even with a cucumber, I don't care because I love it. Some people might find that off-putting. I love it. And I'm gonna just mix up the avocado. Okay, so it all is mixed up, and I'm gonna take my little sheet of seaweed paper. Let's do that. I know it looks like a hot mess, but I just like to grab, well, that was a fail, but you grab it and then take a bite. Mmm, so good.
I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.